Anna woke up early in the morning. The sunlight came through her window. She yawned and stretched her arms. "Good morning, world," she said with a smile. But then she looked at the clock. It was 7:30 a.m. "Oh no, I am late!" Anna jumped out of bed. Her alarm clock did not ring. She ran to the bathroom and brushed her teeth quickly. After that, she took a short shower. The water was cold, but she didn't have time to wait for it to warm up. Anna went to her closet. She picked out a blue shirt and black pants. "This looks good," she said. She put on her clothes and ran to the kitchen. She wanted to eat breakfast, but there was no time. She grabbed an apple and her bag. "I'll eat this on the way," she thought. Anna opened the door and stepped outside. The air was fresh and cool. Birds were singing in the trees. She walked quickly to the bus stop. Luckily, the bus arrived just as she got there. "Phew," she said, feeling relieved. She sat down by the window and ate her apple. Anna's bus stopped in front of a big building. It was her new office. Today was her first day at work. She was both excited and nervous. She walked inside and went to the front desk. "Hello, I am Anna. Today is my first day here," she said. The receptionist smiled. "Welcome, Anna. Please wait here. I will call Mr. Brown. He is your manager." A few minutes later, a tall man came to meet Anna. He had a kind smile. "Hello, Anna. I am Mr. Brown. Welcome to the team," he said. "Thank you. I am happy to be here," Anna replied. Mr. Brown showed Anna her desk. It was next to a window. "This is your computer. You will use it for your work. If you need any help, just ask me or your coworkers," he said. Anna sat down and turned on the computer. She started to learn about her tasks. At first, it was a little difficult, but she tried her best. Her coworker, Sarah, came over to say hello. "Hi, Anna. I'm Sarah. If you need help, just let me know," Sarah said. "Thank you, Sarah. It's nice to meet you," Anna replied. At 12:30 p.m., it was time for lunch. Sarah came to Anna's desk. "Would you like to have lunch with me?" she asked. "Yes, I would love to," Anna said. They walked to a small cafe near the office. Anna ordered a sandwich and orange juice. Sarah got a salad and coffee. They sat by the window and talked. "How do you like the city?" Sarah asked. "It's nice, but I am still learning my way around," Anna said. "I know a great park nearby. Maybe we can go there after work one day," Sarah suggested. "That sounds great. Thank you," Anna said with a smile. After lunch, they walked back to the office. Anna felt happy to have made a new friend. In the afternoon, Anna had a small problem. She could not find a file she needed on the computer. She felt a little nervous. Then she remembered what Mr. Brown had said. She went to his office. "Excuse me, Mr. Brown, can you help me?" she asked. "Of course. What is the problem?" he said. Anna explained, and Mr. Brown showed her how to find the file. "Thank you so much," Anna said. "You're welcome. Don't worry, it's normal to have questions on your first day," he said kindly. Anna went back to her desk and finished her work. She felt proud of herself. After work, Anna decided to explore the city. She walked to a local market. There were many stalls selling fruits, vegetables, and other items. Anna bought some fresh bread and cheese for dinner. At one stall, an old man was selling flowers. "Would you like some flowers, miss?" he asked. "Yes, please. These roses are beautiful," Anna said. She bought a small bouquet of red roses. The old man smiled. "Have a good evening," he said. Anna walked home with her groceries and flowers. The city lights were bright, and the streets were busy. She felt happy and peaceful. When Anna got home, she saw a woman in the hallway. The woman was carrying a box. "Hello, do you need help?" Anna asked. "Yes, thank you. This box is heavy," the woman said. Anna helped her carry the box. "I'm Anna, I just moved here," she said. "Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Emily. Welcome to the building." the woman said. They talked for a few minutes. Emily told Anna about a bakery nearby. You should try their cakes. They are delicious, she said. Thank you, Emily. I will, Anna said. She felt glad to have met a friendly neighbor. That night, Anna sat on her bed with a notebook. She wrote about her day. Today was my first day at work. I met kind people like Sarah, Mr. Brown, and Emily. I feel happy and hopeful about the future, she wrote. Anna looked at the flowers she had bought. They made her room look warm and cheerful. She smiled and turned off the light. Good night, world, she said softly. Soon she was fast asleep, dreaming of new adventures to come.